Baby mama, hey, you need to get up with me. Tell me what area code you want to move in. Get what? I got you. Get what? Whatever area code you want to go in. Ooh, hold on, these hoes so sticky. Hold on.
Yeah.
There they go.
There they go.
Yeah, hey. If you found a fab in this bitch, get what? You can have the whole bankroll. Fuck how it turn out.
I'm with.
3-7 fat.
I'm with.
On that.
Yeah.
Look, Shawty, what's up? I ain't tryna be rude, but I seen you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. If my eyes don't deceive you, like what you see, so we can skate off up out this lift and go somewhere a little more private, like back to my crib, but not on no typical shit, like playing Scrabble. I dabble with wordplay. So this.
So we are plucking this closure. I already dyed the notch. Check out that video, okay? So first you're going to need water, some tweezers. I just bought me some new ones, y'all. Ooh. And a rat tail comb. Now, y'all probably looking at this first of all like, why she ain't got it on a mannequin head? Why she doing it like this? Da-da-da. Girl, this is just to help y'all out. Like, give y'all a more detailed video on what I do. So we want to first wet the hair to get the flyaways, lay them down a little bit. And then you want to part a small, like a little bit behind the hairline. Do not start plucking at the hairline right now. Do not do that. So you want to pluck and you want to move over a little bit and then pluck, move over a little bit and then pluck. It's like spaces, like little gaps, okay? You want to keep doing that until you get all the way to the other side. And then you want to just repeat it. You want to section off another piece, a little small, just a little bit more. And then pluck, move, pluck, move, pluck, move. Make sure you comb the hair out. Because y'all going to be plucking. And then y'all got all this hair built up. All this hair you didn't plucked out, built up. And y'all going to be mad. So y'all want to comb out the hair. And then go back in there, because once you have that knot, you're going to be trying to detangle all that stuff, get all that hair out, and it's too much. Just little by little, okay? Make sure you are not plucking hard. When I say plucking hard, it looks like I'm going crazy. I'm plucking hard and rough and everything. Please do not do that. You want to pluck, but just go at a small pace. Don't pluck too hard. Don't pluck too rough, because you can end up plucking out too much hair and then rip the lace. You do not want to rip the lace. Y'all, I really dyed the heck out of this closure. Like, y'all see this? Go check out that video. That's all I'm saying. Now, how you want to pluck, since, like, I just showed y'all, and I probably should have told y'all this earlier. I have the slanted tweezer, the slanted tweezer. So I pluck where the, like, the, what I want to say, like the top of the triangle, I guess, the top of the slant is pointing towards the front of the lace closure. And then, like, basically line it up with the hair is what I'm trying to say. Don't pluck the other way where, like, the pointier side is facing the back. Like, that just doesn't make sense. Like, I don't know why you would do that, but please don't do that. Now, I didn't move sections back and forth and did all that. Now we're going to pluck at the hairline. Okay, ladies? Now you're plucking at the hairline. This allows you to not pluck the hairline too much because you already been plucking behind it. So it looks natural. So y'all going to see me. It's the same technique. Pluck, move over, leaving gaps. You don't want to keep plucking right next to each other, okay? Now, I kind of mimic my hairline just a little bit, and probably a little bit, like, my hairline is not exactly like this when y'all see the final result, but I mimic my hairline just a little bit because that's usually how, that's how you want to go. Like, you want to make sure it's kind of mimicking your hairline, because then you know how to place it. It just works so much better. So y'all see the little gaps as I move over? They're very small. You're not going to see them as clear as I see them, I guess. But if you do, like this video. And you just keep repeating the same technique until you feel that you have plucked just enough. Now, some people can go overboard. You don't want to go to where it's bald spots, okay? Bald spots is not nobody's a hairline. I mean, it could be, but that's not how we want to do it. That's not how we look. Now, I have just sectioned off where my baby hairs. I just sectioned off like a thin section. Like, basically, you know how when you do baby hairs, they section off that little bit. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm plucking right there. Okay? Same technique. Just move over, pluck, move over, pluck, move over, pluck. That's all I can really tell you about plucking. Move over, pluck, move over, pluck. Don't pluck too rough. We do not want holes. And don't pluck too much. Some people get real happy. When I say too much, you will know because you'll see bald spots. It'll look real bald. That's why we doing it. Pluck, move over, pluck, move over. Don't pluck too much. Just move over. Okay? I would say do a good 10 to 20. Don't do no like real hard plucks where it's like you pulling out a lot of hair. Just do some nice small little plucks. Just enough, like 10 to 20 at max. 20 at max. I don't even think you should even hit 20. Maybe 10 to 15. 10 to 15 at one section and move over. Okay? Don't go ham with the plucking, okay? It's really just about keeping, like, practicing, okay? Y'all see this? Look. I don't know if you can see it as clear, but that's like a hairline. That's how my hairline is. A little bit, okay? See the little gaps? There you go. That's how your closure should look, okay? And if you feel like you need to go back in and continue to pluck, please do so, but don't pluck as much, okay? Just a little bit. Don't go ham. Like I said, do not go ham with the plucking. Now look at this. I'm about to show y'all when I brush it back. Look at it. Looks thin at the front, but it looks like a hairline, right? Right? Like if you see that hairline. Like this video if you see that hairline. Okay? Because period. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. But that is how you pluck a closure. That is it. That is the hairline right there. Okay?